There are many different types of car batteries, but they generally fall into a few key categories based on their chemistry, size, and application. Here are the main types. Lead-acid batteries, the most common type used in most conventional cars. They come in two varieties, flooded lead acid or FLA, which is the traditional type requiring periodic maintenance, and absorbent glass mat or AGM, a more advanced version requiring no maintenance and offering better performance for modern cars with more electrical demands. Lithium-ion batteries, used in electric vehicles and some hybrid vehicles. They're lighter and have a higher energy density compared to lead-acid batteries. Gel batteries. These are a type of sealed lead-acid battery but with a gel electrolyte instead of a liquid one. They are more resistant to vibration and can be used in certain types of vehicles and off-grid power systems. Enhanced flooded batteries, or EFBs, are a type of lead-acid battery designed to provide better performance and durability than standard flooded batteries. These are commonly found in start-stop vehicles. Nickel metal hydride, or NiMH, batteries are commonly used in hybrid vehicles. They are less energy-dense than lithium-ion batteries, but are a more affordable option for hybrid applications. Valve-regulated lead-acid, or VRLA, is a general term for sealed lead-acid batteries. This includes both AGM and gel types. Each of these batteries comes in various sizes and capacities to fit different vehicle models and power needs. Car batteries are also rated by their cold cranking amps, reserve capacity, and amp-hour rating, all of which help determine which battery is best for a particular car. Now that you know there are different types of batteries, some requiring maintenance and others that don't, make sure you know which type of battery your car has before attempting any maintenance. Stay safe and don't forget to subscribe for more useful information and easy fixes.